So now the next part of this question, how do you get started? I'm gonna give it to you simple like this. These are the steps. Your first thing, you're gonna do your market research. Market research is gonna be super important. That's how you understand your ideal client, you understand the potential clients, you understand what your competitors are doing, you figure out like who's in this market, where your people are at, what age range are your people in. So then you'll figure out what print method you're gonna go with. I've already told you, you're gonna go with the heat transfer method, grabbing the heat press, grabbing some heat transfers. That way you don't have to worry about wasting money on equipment that's not going to be used in the long term. I'm telling you right now, I have 7 years of experience. There's some equipments that have never been touched, probably opened one time, and they were just sitting there catching dust. I don't want you to get in that situation. That's what I'm telling you now. Follow these steps, right? T-shirts, heat transfers, a heat press. You understand? That's how you would get started. You are going to get a reseller's permit. A reseller's permit. Google it in your area. Google reseller's permit in PA. If you're in PA, that's going to be the PA 100. You fill out that form. It should be free in PA. That way, you're going to go to the companies like SNS Activewear, Alpha Broder. Those companies, there are wholesale platforms that source a whole bunch of t-shirts. They have t-shirts for Gilding. They have t-shirts from Bella Canvas. They have t-shirts from Next Level. Everything is in that one platform. You have access to that at a wholesale discount because you have your reseller's permit. And it's very important to get that. You're going to get your EIN. The EIN is free. Go to irs.gov, grab yourself an EIN. That's like your social security for your business. That's the same number you use to go ahead to your bank now and create a bank account. That bank account is going to be specific for the business. You're going to take everything from that business. You're going to put it into this bank account and all of that. Make sure you're separating all of those things from your personal to your business. Super important. This is where most of us messed up. I messed up at the beginning, trying to keep all the money together, and that could lead you into some big, big trouble. All right. So then the next part now, you already figure out your ideal client. You figure out your equipment. You figure out your material. You're going to start just practicing, right? Creating content, letting people know, talking about it, marketing, all of those things, showing up, giving stuff away for free. All of those things there are going to be what you need to do at the beginning stages to be discoverable, to be on people's mind. I used to literally make stories up, right? At my job, people be like, oh, E, what you doing this weekend? I'm like, dude, I got a whole bunch of t-shirts to press. That starts the conversation. You understand? Next thing you know, now I started printing for the job and all of those things there. You can start right now. Just grab yourself a heat press. And if you need heat press, I got a bunch of links down below in this video. I have a bunch of links and different resources to connect you to some of our partners that have the heat presses, right? Some of our partners that have the heat transfers and all of those different elements there that you can do. You can also check out our website. You can upload your very own design onto the website. We'll print them for you digital style, DTF, and we'll send it right to you, to your door, so that you're able to just open it, fire up the heat press, and press it on without the overwhelm of the big, expensive equipment. So I told you if you stay to the end of this video here, I was going to show you step-by-step how to do one of these apparel, right? So it starts again with the t-shirt. Right now, I happen to have me a Gilding t-shirts right here. I have my heat press over here turned on. The heat press right now that I'm using is the 16x20 Trans Pro Plus. All right, I can link this heat press down below, and you can go ahead and grab yours. Basics of a heat press is going to be time, temperature, and pressure. Every company that you grab your transfers from should be giving you those ingredients. So my heat press right now is set at 325 because my transfer is pressed at 325 and the hot peel. The best part about this heat press right here, it has this pull-out drawer, and it has an opening where I can feed my shirt in like this. Just gonna thread my shirt through, threading it through, splits it up. Okay, so the shirt is split in between. My heat press is right in between that. It allows me to get even pressure. Next thing you're gonna do is a pre-press. We're gonna pre-press this thing here for about 3 to 5 seconds, making sure our pressure is medium to high. Then we're gonna take our transfers. I'm gonna put my transfer in half to get my center mark. I'm gonna pinch that, and I'm gonna pinch this. I'm gonna take this transfer right here. I'm gonna apply onto my shirt. So you might be questioning now, oh, how do you know if it's the right spot? How do you get it centered? What I like to tell people, from the collar here, you want to do 3 to 4 fingers. So you take 3 fingers here, 4 fingers, depending how big your hand is. Place the transfer right there. Move it up, fall back, check it out, it's nice and straight. And now we're going to close this here, and we're going to press this right here for the recommended time and temperature. And like I said, this thing pressed here for 5 to 10 seconds. It's an auto open, so it's going to open. Once it's open, just pull this up, and we're going to peel this right like that, nice and hot. This is one-time use. You no longer need this. This goes into the trash. You got a t-shirt now that is fully customized. This could be used for a brand, or this could be used for a custom customer. All right? If you found value to this video, once again, don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see y'all in the next video.